5 unusual uses for apple cider vinegar that you'll want to know. Apple cider vinegar is a staple in many people's homes, having been used for centuries in natural remedies, in the kitchen, and in eco-friendly cleaning products. After all, there are some incredible uses for apple cider vinegar. It stands out for its high amounts of organic acids and antioxidants, which together help prevent and treat all kinds of illnesses. It also contains a remarkable amount of vitamins and minerals that have been used in cosmetic products, among other things. The most interesting thing is that it's very cheap compared to other products and is so versatile it will help you in many different areas. Have you discovered the uses for apple cider vinegar? Below, we'll share 5 unusual ways to get the most out of it. Read on. 1. Mouthwash. Because of the natural acids and antibacterial compounds in it, apple cider vinegar is an ideal substitute for store-bought mouthwashes. It neutralizes the bacteria that causes bad breath while also preventing infection. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 20 milliliters. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 grams. 1 cup of warm water, 200 milliliters. Preparation: add all ingredients to the warm water and stir until dissolved. How to use: gargle the mixture after brushing your teeth. Check this out, too, how to take care of your teeth and gums. 2. Air conditioner. Is your hair dull and lifeless? Get its shine back. The vitamins and minerals in this vinegar are great for restoring the natural beauty of your hair without shelling out a lot of money for costly cosmetics. Using it regularly will help with frizz and prevent problems like dandruff and excessive hair loss. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 20 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 16 grams. 1/2 cup of water, 100 milliliters. Preparation: pour all ingredients into a spray bottle and shake until well mixed. How to use: separate your hair into sections and apply the treatment from the roots to the ends. Let sit for 20 minutes and then rinse. 3. All-purpose disinfectant. If you don't like using harsh chemical products to clean your home, opt for making your own eco-friendly disinfectant with apple cider vinegar. It's antiseptic and antibacterial, so it helps keep your home clean and free of harmful microorganisms. You can use it on your bathtub and showers, sink and stove, floors and tiles, wooden furniture, doors and windows. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 30 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of lemon essential oil, 5 grams. 1 cup of water, 200 milliliters. Preparation: combine all ingredients in a container and, if you like, keep in a spray bottle. How to use: spray the liquid on the surface you want to clean, let sit for 3 to 5 minutes and remove any excess. 4. Ant repellent. Apple cider vinegar is a good repellent for ants. They hate its strong acidic odor. The best thing is that it doesn't affect your health or harm the environment, unlike pesticides or poison. Ingredients: 6 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 60 milliliters. 1 cup of water, 200 milliliters. Preparation: dilute the vinegar with the water and pour into a spray bottle. How to use: spray your garden plants with the liquid, including the area around them. Apply anywhere you tend to see ants. 5. Treatment for sunburns. Due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, this wonder ingredient is a good way to get relief from superficial sunburns. It will help with the burning feeling and help neutralize skin pH to heal the lesion. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 30 milliliters. 1/2 cup of water, 100 milliliters. 6 ice cubes. Preparation: add all ingredients to a container and let chill. How to use: soak a clean cloth into the liquid and carefully apply to the burned skin. Let sit for a few minutes and repeat until the affected area is healed. Did you know about these uses for apple cider vinegar? Now that you do know more ways to use it, go ahead and take advantage of it and make your life simpler. Try it for yourself and see how good it is at replacing expensive, harsh alternatives.